Water heaters can catch on fire.
That's an interesting fact. I didn't know that.
Maybe. It's really rare for a water heater to catch on fire.
That one seems to be okay.
It's just sitting there being a water heater.
That's just... Yeah, that's true.
It's doing its job. You know?
You know,
I wish I could talk.
no, that was just a funny comment, man. It's just sitting there being a water heater.
That was funny.
That's awesome. Like,
Yeah, but I'm saying I wish I could talk though.
you wish you could talk?
Yeah.
What do you think it'd say?
No.
It'd be like, I'm here, right? Like,
Uh,
it'd be like, it's sure damn hard to be a water heater over here in this damn Texas summer.